Hey everybody! In this video, we'll be talking about setting up your TrickleStar Tier 1 Advanced PowerStrip with a TV or a PC. You'll start by plugging your TV or PC into the outlet labeled Control. Plug any electronics that need constant power into the outlets labeled Always On. For a TV setup, this is usually a DVR and a cable box. For PC setup, this is usually a router and a modem. Plug any other electronics that are only needed when your TV or computer are on, such as a DVD player for a TV setup, or a printer for a computer setup, into any of the outlets labeled Switched. These outlets switch on or off when the TV or computer is turned on or off. If your TrickleStar Tier 1 APS has an adjustable threshold switch on the side, set it to the correct setting. Plug the PowerStrip into a grounded outlet and you're ready to go. Now, when you turn your TV or computer on, the switched outlets will have power and the devices plugged into them can be used. When you turn your TV or computer off, the devices plugged into the switched outlets will turn off and stop drawing standby power. This saves energy, which reduces your electric bill to save you money. If you have questions or need help, just give us a call at 1-888-700-1098.